Hey guys, hope you are enjoying the course and finding it valuable and useful so far. I wanted to share with you guys some live evidential results that I've been getting in my trading. I think it is important to evidence results rather than just claiming it. I think it's just got more oomph and you can back it up with. So this is my FX book, which is connected to several of my live trading accounts, both personal as well as other investors, as well as prop firm accounts. So you can see that the profitability curve is uptrending really good. So there's these two are personal, one of them myself, one of them for another investor, and two prop firm ones as well. They're all sort of smallish, if you like, size accounts. None of them are huge. But you can see the profits are very solid. This is over the last few months. I connected this several months ago, and you can see that the drawdowns are all very small. I mean, all under 10%, which is really good for drawdown in terms of trading. And you can see that the monthly gain on average is about 10% across the accounts, which is the equivalent of about 100% throughout the year, which is phenomenal for trading, in my opinion. And it is surreal to overpromise profitability. If somebody says they can get like 2,000% in a year, I think it's kind of BS. It's got to be realistic. And I think somewhere sort of 50 to 100% return on investment is actually really good. It's actually better than the average, for sure. So, you can take a look, look at this in my FX book. There's some solid evidence there. Anyway, I wanted to just mention here that there's a couple of services that I offer in terms of trading. One is that we cooperate and I basically manage your trading accounts. I do not need to gain access to your back office. All I require is to log into your MT4, MT5 platform and trade on your behalf. And there's no fees in this service, zero fees, initial fees or management fees, monthly ongoing fees, nothing like that at all. All it is just we split the profit 50-50. Depending on the amount of investment. If it's a large sum of capital, my share can reduce a little bit. Typically it's 50-50. Or if you wanted to learn how to trade like a professional trader, I'm not talking about these typical retail traders, because most of them are unprofitable. I mean, 97% of retail traders are not profitable. They lose because it's a very difficult, challenging profession. I started this back in 2018, 2017-ish, and I wish I had a mentor who was there to show me the way rather than me having to figure stuff out just through experience. But if you want to trade like a professional trader, how the pros trade rather than the retail. So retail stuff doesn't work using 50 indicators. That's not how you trade. Right? I can teach you how a pro would trade, and that is a one-to-one bespoke mentorship. And just to finish off, honestly, I believe trading is one of the really good, probably one of the best professions out there in terms of freedom enhancement. You can make that money or income from anywhere in the world. There's a lot of location freedom, time freedom. You're not swapping your time purely for money, and I think it is a really good profession in that sense. So yeah, highly recommend it. Hope you enjoy the course, and if this is something you're interested in, book a free video call with me through the link.